Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're unboxing some camera holders that I had ordered for the motorcycle. Unboxing them, I'm going to show you how to install them. I'm even going to show you them in progress. I have 3 cameras that I'm going to be using today, aside my camera that I'm using for recording our main video. We're using the GoPro 360 Max, the Gitup Get2 action camera, and old trusty GoPro Hero 3 Plus. But let's start by opening up the box. Guys, I'll put the link down below on where I ordered these, so that way you can get your own if you want them. This is not a sponsored video by any means. I did order 2, so let's see what they look like. Pretty simple. There are 2 different ones, by the way. They have 2 different mounts. One is a mirror mount, the mirror stem mount, and one is a handlebar mount. So let's see what they look like. This one, I am guessing, yeah, this one is going to be the mirror stem mount system. As you can see from the small stem here. This isn't plastic, it is a metal. And it does look like our also metal stem mounts there. Nice, nice, okay. There is no instructions. It's alright, we don't need instructions, do we? Nah. We're gonna figure this out though. And I think I'm going to put the GoPro Max 360 on this one, because I have no doubt that it's going to reach above my fairing. Alright, so we got 3 mounts hooked up, just so that you can see what it's going to be like. We got our GoPro 360 Max with the stem mount on the mirror. I'm going to be putting one of my action cameras on the handlebars, and then I also have one mounted to my crash bar. So let's see them in action. I'll be back with you when we get back.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing.
So I just got back. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I got. Please subscribe to our channel so I can keep bringing you more great content like this. The links to the clamps I'll be putting down. Please make sure you leave a comment. I'd love to hear back from you. If you have any questions, let me know. I always try to answer absolutely everyone. Talk to y'all on the next vid. Peace out.